Guys, I am so freaking annoyed. I am annoyed. Like to the high heavens. I'm annoyed. Hey guys, so in this video, it's going to be a little bit different from my normal makeup tutorials. I'm not doing a makeup tutorial. I will be sure to mention the makeup I used in the description box so you guys can, be informed of what I used today. But it's not a makeup tutorial. It's not my trying the trend series. This is a video discussing on brands that refuse, to this day, refuse to cater towards women of color, people of color in general, and they refuse to make foundation colors for our skin tones. So if you want to see that, then just keep on watching. So if you haven't already seen, I'm sure you've seen, the tea. That's what people call it, the tea. I'm sure you've seen the picture already on Trend Mood's Instagram of the Beauty Blender foundation. So I'll pop a picture right here. As you can see, it can speak for itself. Look at it. Look how disappointing the foundation range is. It's 2018 and brands still to this day do not make a wide variety of shades for people of color. And it's getting very frustrating, guys. It's very frustrating how, I'm gonna be honest, sometimes I can find my foundation shade in Ulta. When I go to Ulta, I'm one of the second to last shades in like these foundation colors. So, for example, before Arianna and Too Faced collaborated on releasing new foundations for people of color, I was one of the last shades in their line. And I'm not, guys, look at my skin tone. I'm like brown skin. I'm not even dark skin. There's so many people that are 10 shades darker than me who don't have foundations for their skin tone. And it's very, very frustrating to witness that, because I'm not going to say her name, but if you're watching this, hey girl, you know I'm talking about you. I went to Ulta with one of my friends from school the other day, and we were looking for foundations to match her skin tone. And like always, these brands just don't have foundations for her skin tone. And she has a very, very deep complexion. She is very dark skinned, and it's just a shame how, excuse the background noise, my mom's talking and whatever, I can't really tell her to shut up or anything because I'll be disrespectful. But it's just, I can't even explain. It's very, very frustrating and disheartening to witness someone getting let down because they don't have a foundation that matches their skin tone. If it's a foundation that looks like it matches their skin tone, when you swatch it, it's either too orange, too red, and it's not the right undertone. It's still not their perfect match, It's just very, very disappointing to see. And I'm gonna be honest, when I go to stores, sometimes I'm able to find my color. I'm probably one of the second to last or the very last color in these foundations. And being brown skin, I can find my color sometimes. But people even darker than me cannot find their color to this day. It's 2018. We should have the technology. We should have the right technology to create the perfect formula for deeper complexions. It's just annoying is what I can say. It's annoying. And I just wanted to say that these multi-million-dollar brands, they have enough money to come up with a formula, the perfect recipe, the perfect formula to create dozens of shades for deeper complexions. So no one, no matter white, black, Hispanic, Asian, any race, any skin tone should have to go through this problem where they feel left out because they don't have a foundation that perfectly matches their skin. And I don't know how many times I can say this, but brands, I don't have a huge platform where brands can watch this and, take some notes. But maybe one day when I reach, 100,000 subscribers, which I don't know when that will be, if a brand watches this video, Tarte Cosmetics, Beauty Blender, you know, the brands that still to this day do not cater to black women, you have enough money to make the perfect formula for deeper complexions. It's not that hard. I mean, I can't say it's hard because I've never been in the lab, the factory to create foundations. But if you can create 50 foundations for white people, you can create 50 foundations for black people. Simple as that. I'm just tired of witnessing this issue happen every new product launch for these foundations. It's very, very, very annoying. And you can hear it in my voice. I'm very frustrated here. As soon as I came across the Beauty Blender foundation on Trend Mood's Instagram, I was instantly just like, honey, there's like 40 shades of paper white, and then there's like 3 shades of caramel, pretty much. And let me bring something else up. You know how a few months back Tarte Cosmetics released their Tarte Shape Tape foundation because of the hype of the Tarte Shape Tape concealer? They released a foundation because they felt that that was gonna, you know, go wild just like the concealer did. Well, they only released 12 shades, and pretty much 10 of the shades were for the same exact skin tone, white, and 2 shades were for pretty much my complexion and not even any darker than that. And they did, on Instagram, people were bashing them how racist and how they don't cater to women of color to this day, and how they're no longer supporting Tarte Cosmetics. And they did reach out and make a post saying that in the summer they're going to release more foundation colors for deeper complexions. Well, it's pretty much the end of July. Where's the new foundations, huh? Where's the new foundations? I never seen any. I never seen any new posts advertising their new foundation colors. Where are they? Tarte. I'm like at the point where I just am no longer willing to support brands who just look down upon people of color. I'm just getting tired of it. Like I said, I'm not gonna support brands who do not make foundation colors for our skin tones. I keep saying, we're in the year of 2018. We should have the technology, we should have the money, the recipe or whatever to create foundations for deeper complexions. I feel like Beauty Blender, with this whole new launch of foundation, the Bounce foundation, they just wanted attention pretty much. Negative attention is what they're getting, but they wanted attention to their brand. They wanted a huge fiasco, people to talk about them, but this is in a negative way. Like, wouldn't you want people to talk about you in a positive way? Like, did you not see the Tarte Cosmetics fiasco like 2 months ago? How they did not cater towards darker skin complexions. Did you not take notes from that? Did you not listen to people's feedback? I mean, do you not want to make money? Clearly you're out of millions of dollars because no one has their foundation color. Anyways, guys, I'm done rambling. I'm done ranting about brands. I'm not going to necessarily say they're racist, but in a way they are, because they see the feedback that they're getting about how they refuse to listen to us and create foundations that are our perfect skin match and are our perfect undertone, but they just don't listen. They just go deaf. They don't care, pretty much. And I'm not going to support brands who do that. Anyways, I'm done rambling, I'm done ranting. That's pretty much what I had to say. That's pretty much my ideas on this whole Beauty Blender foundation, or just brands in general who don't cater, who don't make foundations for deeper complexions. I'm just not going to support it, point blank. So if you enjoyed this video, I know it wasn't really a hype, upbeat, you know, enjoyable video. It was kind of more serious video that I wanted to get my word out there type of video. Feel free to give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, as I'm trying to reach 700 subscribers by the end of the month. I actually have one more left to go, so by the time I upload this video, I'm sure I already have made it. So my new goal should probably be like 750, so get me to 750 subscribers. I'm having a giveaway once I reach 1K subscribers, so it's simple. Just subscribe, make sure you have your post notifications turned on. It's that little bell icon, so just simply hit that as well and you are automatically entered into my future 1K giveaway. Leave a comment down below of your thoughts on this whole Beauty Blender foundation. Would you purchase it? Even if it does have the perfect match for you, would you purchase it? You know, I personally don't care. If you want to purchase it, go ahead, it's not my problem. But I know that I will not purchase from this brand because, number one, the Beauty Blender is too freaking expensive. $20 for a Beauty Blender. And number two, with this whole shade range issue, nah, I'll pass. So that's my thoughts. Leave your thoughts. I'm very interested in hearing you guys' opinions. So yes, just leave your thoughts below. Also comment some video suggestions that you would like to see from me. I am doing a series where I try a popular makeup trend that is going on Instagram. So leave me some suggestions on some makeup looks that you want to see me recreate. And that's pretty much all I have to say. So like, comment, subscribe. Get me to 750 subscribers, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace out.